Ryan Sells LA is coming to you today from world famous Hollywood. I'm Ryan Fitzgerald, and thanks for joining me. Today's opportunity is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, single lot line house featuring no shared walls, and you own the ground that your home sits on. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and views from the rooftop deck. Let's have a look inside. Owning your own private rooftop deck is the best way to check out Hollywood's amazing weather. Contact me to come and check out the views for yourself. I'm Ryan Fitzgerald. It's always my pleasure to be your host here at RyanSellsLA.com. And as always, stay tuned for my up and coming listings.